Boom shakalaka!
I'd buy that for $1.
Well, hey you. Psst. Hey, you. Sit your cute ass down and watch me play some video games. Yeah, you pointing at you. Just don't deny it. I'm a straight rider. You don't wanna. All right, get over. How y'all doing tonight? What's today? I don't even fucking know. I forgot. Saturday. I do know that. No, it's Sunday because it's 1:43 in the morning. I haven't recorded this. No, yeah, I did. Never mind. I was gonna say I haven't recorded this late in a long time, but knowing my disgustingly bad memory, I probably have recorded. How do you get to the more down? There we go. Download content. Nope, that ain't the right button. Is it in extras? Nope. I fucking forgot where. Nope, not new game. Episodes. Yes, it is. The writer. The writer. The final part of the Alan Wake.
On Alan Wake.
I gotta be quiet. Shh.
It's not a lake. It's an ocean. After saving my wife from the mysterious dark presence, I found myself trapped in the dark place.
Imagination can be the enemy here.
A nightmarish world that exists somewhere beyond the shores of our own existence.
We're the one making all this happen.
Just do what Zane tells you.
Follow the signal.
Is all this really coming out of my head?
The dark place is playing tricks on you.
I made my way across its ever-shifting landscape, trying to reach Thomas Zane.
You're trapped in your own nightmares. You're still going deeper.
Special feature to the writer. So it is like really cold, which is awesome. I love the cold, and I am bundled up.
It's all in your head.
Fuck you.
You've been making it up.
I'm like under like 4 blankets, just ball like wrapped up.
Your delusions are out of control. Get out of my head.
What the hell?
Seriously, Al, you need to get a grip. You know reality's different here.
The hell is?
See what I
Okay.
mean, Al?
Let me turn this up. Probably gonna regret this decision.
Ugh, I think I'm stuck on this side.
Well, you're gonna have to find your way out of there. I'll wait. Just remember, you're still in the dark place. You know that, right? I don't want to alarm you, pal, but it's sink or swim time.
Fine.
Bitch.
Feel the
Alright,
pressure
let's go.
mounting. Barry was right. Time was running out.
Rumble?
Everything I saw was a dark, twisted version of reality based on my memories and thoughts.
Huh. What does this thing do? Makes you turn a pole. That's it? Oh, what the fuck ever, man. I don't even know what the hell I'm doing. Alright. Yeah, we're figuring this out right now. I've never played this, so we about to end it on the real. As soon as I remember how to play. Why does someone said that? So you can always expect Vash to compliment the shit out of you and then remind you that he doesn't remember how to play. You damn right. Because I can't even remember what I ate for fucking breakfast this morning. I have really bad memory. Can I hop that fence? Am I supposed to be having like a... This is infringing my rights. What is... See... Hey! Don't help me! I didn't ask for your... Shut up! I didn't ask for your help. I did that. The shit didn't work. Look at that. Oh, do I have to just swing it as hard as I can and it'll hit the crumb? Nope. That ain't working. Hey, it did work! Gated up. Whatever. Fuck you, Barry. Going through.
I had to accept it. If all of this was from my mind, then I was the one making all this happen. I was literally fighting myself. It was a moment of clarity.
Oh, I was about to call you Max. That's how bootleg you are. Oh, Alan. You drive me wild with your surprise. Oh, fuck. That was a bad word. Okay. Heavy duty. Fuck yeah. I don't want to know what this surprise is. Do I have a gun laying around here? Then I'll... Man, that surprise can tango. Ain't shit around here, man. Alright, here we go. Fuck happened? Whoa! Ha! Okay. Climb, recharge, reload. Let's triple threat. So we got shotgun ammo. Look at this. Pick up the fucking batteries, man. Didn't one of those say climb? What is there to climb up in here? Did that say climb? I just... Whatever. Oh, yeah, it did say. Look! Cool, man. I didn't see that.
After finishing Departure, I felt finished myself. All I had wanted was to save Alice. After that, a part of me had been ready to just give in and die. But I hadn't given up. Thomas Zane had reached me. I had run across a nightmarish landscape following a signal from him. He kept telling me I was sinking, going too deep. I wasn't sure if he meant the dark place or insanity. Perhaps they were one and the same.
Oh, I thought that was a badass wolf. Like an evil creature. Some pretty sick shit, man. I'm not digging the... Nope. Is that me making that noise? No, of course not. Hello, I'm gonna... Is that a geist? Hello? Hello? Oh, that pumped me. Oh, give it up! Fuck yeah, I'm ready. Who's making that noise? Who's making that noise? Oh my god, Barry, help me any fucking time, dude. Hey!
Nice job, Al! So, huh? Let's face it, we always knew this was coming.
I guess, but I actually feel pretty rational, all things considered.
Crazy people don't know they're crazy. That's where they're crazy. Hey, check out... About caught up with you. You better go talk to him.
Alright then, I have a feeling that I need to go back and look in there. But you know what? No. I don't wanna. Fuck it. I'm going this way, because that's where I need to go. And that last time I went somewhere I wasn't. You know what happened? You know what happened, right? I got the shit scared out of me. That's what happened.
Lots of fireworks here. Nice.
Blake heard the old gods play. Music came out all wrong. It attracted the horrors.
Oh, what?
Oh, hell yeah. Remember this, Al?
No. Ooh, revolver. Holy shit! Contamination. Ow. Fuck you. Spin, fireworks, spin. Oh, fuck. It worked out. I've noticed. Oh, God. That's awesome. Is there like a... Dude, come on, Ramisha and Remington, help a brother out! Holy shit! Something comes up behind me, I swear. Those fireworks still spin? Fuck yeah, keep... Go! Go, fireworks, go! Attack! Protect me! Hell yeah. No, man. Stop. Oh, stop. Get the fuck out of here. Thank you. Thanks, Barry. I appreciate it. Thanks, bro, for the... Ow. For the talk. No! What is going... I don't know. Yes. Take me! Take me, Zane! In the face. Come on! Thank you, you guys. Let's go right on in.
Get inside now, Al. The big guy busted down the door.
What big guy? That's... Oh, he didn't break it down all the... Okay. Oh, well, fuck you then. Oh, yeah, they're everywhere. The console of bears. Recharge. Batteries. Reload. You bullshitting. Fuck is going on here?
See, Al? This is classic you. Always making things complicated.
This is just a memory.
Even your memories are complicated.
Damn, Zane, you where you get the hook up from?
Yeah. So, I guess you're gonna need to talk to Zane out there now that he's actually here. I'm just gonna, you know, let you non-imaginary people talk in peace.
You're not coming?
Nah, that was a crutch, you know. Hey, you're moving up in the world, buddy.
That's fucked up. Oh well. Wait, that thing is jiggling. I don't like the way it's going. Bad painting. You're bad. Anybody else? You want some of this too, leopard? Bobcat? Kitty cat? Oh, you fuck. Open this door. Zane?
You have done well, Alan. Now I can accompany you. You are trapped in your own dream. You must wake yourself up, but first, you have to reach yourself.
The cabin.
Yes, my cabin. It will not be easy. Your previous work can help you. I still have some pages of your manuscript left. Words like that have power here.
Oh. I'm gonna go get it. So magical? Your big floating baby ass. No fuck?
The lighthouse?
Oh.
It's very appropriate. I can help you reach it. But after that, you will be on your own. I cannot enter the cabin now. The dark presence makes sure we share our last encounter.
Holy as shit.
Yourself, the parts of your mind that are hard to control. This is not a fight anyone else can win for you.
Alright, man, I got it.
Okay,
Some freaky
that's
deaky
different.
shit going on. Almost died. Tools, float. The fuck do I get over there? Oh, that's fancy. It's got the anchor. Okay. That would make sense. Look, I'm going! I'm going! Look! Come on, go!
I was glad to have Zane with me in this place. He knew the terrain, such as it was. But a part of me...
Yeah, for real, I cannot hear a fucking thing. What are you saying, Alan? Turn this shit up.
If he was even human anymore, after so many years in this place.
I probably have to turn up my TV. Hold on. Oh, it's only on 12. I don't want it too loud, because if something pops out, I don't want to just flat out just start shitting my pants. Don't go back, don't go! Try to gay me up, see, badass boat. You hear a lot of ruffling around. I'm like under a ridiculous amount of blankets. Speaking of which, let me move these around. I want to lay with my legs across. Yeah, let's do that. Ooh. Oh, me gusta. Move this pillow back, y'all. We got to get comfortable and warm. Because we going to snuggle up. Get your ass over here and snuggle up, daddy. You're your best, whatever. I love you too. Get over here. Huddle up with me. Let's finish this tonight. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Feels like you're right here with me. I love you. Okay. Open the cabin. Hello, cabin. I'm gonna enter you in 3. There we go.
The world was tilted. It was turning upside down. Wake was lost. He would fall.
Shit, I can't shut it up. Oh yeah, great. Not gonna be able to do. Oh fuck. What is it? Oh, by the way, I got my hair cut like 2 days ago. I got my mohawk back. My badass mohawk. I made it a little bit. The fuck? I made it a little bit taller this time. I usually make it a really tiny one. And my dad be tripping sometimes, but I actually got it a little taller this time.